So the ingredients you'll need are 1 cup powdered sugar, 3/4 cup almond flour, 2 egg whites, 1/4 cup sugar, and some food coloring, which is optional. Now just take your powdered sugar and almond flour and sift them together. After sifting, you're going to be left with some big chunks of some almonds, and you do not want this in your batter. Now in a large bowl, you're going to add your egg whites, and then you're going to take an electric mixer and beat these eggs until they're frothy. Once they're frothy like this, you're going to add a little bit of your sugar. Then you're going to add a little bit more of your sugar. Now you're going to add the rest of your sugar. Now I'm going to add my food coloring. You can stop beating your eggs when your eggs have stiff peaks, like this. Now you're going to take your dry ingredients and pour like half of the dry ingredients into your meringue and just fold it gently. Once that's all mixed in, you're going to add the second half of your dry ingredients and fold that in two. You can stop mixing it when you can draw a figure 8 with your batter without the batter stopping. Just like that. Now just spoon your batter into a piping bag. Now you're just going to take a baking tray lined with parchment paper or a silicone mat, and you're going to pipe out little circles with your macaroon batter. Once you've piped out all the macaroon circles, you're going to drop the tray a couple times to get rid of any air bubbles. Let the macaroons sit in room temperature before baking them for about 30 minutes to an hour. You can put the macaroons into the oven when you can touch the macaroon without getting any batter on your fingers. Now just bake your macaroons at 285 degrees for 18 to 25 minutes. Once your macaroons are done baking, let them cool before you put frosting in between them. Now just take 2 cookies that are about the same size and pipe a little bit of any type of frosting you want around, just like that, and sandwich the cookies together.